Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Autocrat Chrome extension tool to automate the creation of personalized documents from Google Forms responses. Autocrat is a powerful tool that can save you time and effort by streamlining your document creation process. In this tutorial, we will go through the step-by-step process of using Autocrat to create personalized documents. Step 1. Install Autocrat. The first step is to install Autocrat. Open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Autocrat, and click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Step 2. Create a Google form. Next, create a Google form with the fields you want to include in your personalized document. For example, you might create a survey to collect information about your customers, such as their name, email address, and order details. Step 3. Create a Google Doc template. Create a Google Doc template that will be used to generate the personalized documents. In the template, you can include placeholders for the data that will be merged from the form responses. For example, you can use name to indicate where the customer's name should be inserted. Step 4. Configure Autocrat. Now that you have your form and template, it's time to configure Autocrat. Open the Google Sheet that contains the responses to your form. In the menu, click Add-ons and select Autocrat. Click Open Sidebar to open the Autocrat sidebar. In the Autocrat sidebar, click New Merge Job to create a new merge job. Give the job a name and select the Google Doc template you created earlier. Next, select the sheet that contains the form responses, and specify the column headers that match the form fields. You can also choose to filter the responses based on certain criteria. Step 5. Merge the data. Once you have configured Autocrat, you are ready to merge the data. Click Run Merge to start the merge process. Autocrat will create a new document for each response in your sheet, using the data from the corresponding row. Step 6. Review and share the documents. Finally, review and share the documents that Autocrat has created. You can view the merged documents in the folder specified in the Autocrat configuration. You can also share the documents with others by giving them access to the folder or by sharing the individual documents. Conclusion. That's it. You have now learned how to use Autocrat to automate the creation of personalized documents from Google Forms responses. By following these steps, you can save time and effort, and streamline your document creation process.